Hey, my name's Jess. I'm the owner of Product Photography Class where I teach small businesses how to improve their product photos. Today, I'm covering flatlays. I'm going to show you how to go from no idea what you're doing to having two styling setups you can always rely on. All you're going to need is a styling towel. If you don't have one, you can use any type of fabric, even a shirt would work. The first thing we're going to do is lay our styling towel down in a C shape. Next, I'm going to add 3 products. You don't have to do this, but I personally like having my top and bottom products angled. It just adds a little something. Next, I'll be adding 4 pieces of loose greenery. I'm using loose greenery because it's perfect for a year-round look and it goes with any products. But switch these items out for something that fits with the season or the theme of your products. And that's it for our first setup. Quick and easy, but looks fancy. Now, let's do the next one. This time, I'm going to lay my styling towel down diagonally. I want it to go from one corner to the other. Instead of putting my product directly on the styling towel, I'm going to place something to lift it up a little. You could totally stop here and have a beautiful photo, but let's keep going. I'm going to add some small items into the other 2 corners. I'm only placing a few so my scene stays clean. Adding too many items in this step can make your photo look cluttered. Remember, less is more in the world of product photography. Last time I used greenery to keep a year-round look, but this time I want a beach scene. To do this, I switched my background to a sand one. I'm using a blue styling towel and my small items will be seashells. Obviously, switch the background, the color of the styling towel, and the small items you add to fit the look you want. Here's some other photos I've done using these 2 techniques. If you're shooting something small like earrings or soaps, add a riser like this. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions or need any help, remember, I'm here for you. Comment any questions you have below and tag me on Instagram so I can come hype up your photos. I want to take this time to thank all of my patrons. You all mean so much to me. Your support is why I'm able to make these weekly teaching videos. And a special thanks to all my deluxe and higher tier patrons. One of your benefits is having your name at the end of the video, so here you all are. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye!